Friends, in this session we'll start with the physical properties of alkane, alkene and alkyne. तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ alkane के बारे में. आप सभी को पता है alkane is really very basic and really very important as far hydrocarbon is concerned. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. This is the homologous series of alkane. So alkane के बारे में डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ alkane. All the carbon atom present into this alkane is sp3 hybridized. आप सभी को मैंने केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में भी सिखाया था. कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड sp3, कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड मीन्स अल्कीन तो sp2 एंड कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड माने अल्काइन मीन्स sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. सिंगल बॉन्ड sp3, डबल बॉन्ड sp2, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड sp hybridization. Every carbon atom forms a 4 sigma bond with this carbon or hydrogen atom. General configuration of alkane is, आप सभी को पता है, 10 से आप पढ़ते आ रहे हो, CnH2n+2. They exhibit the tetrahedral geometry with bond angle is 109-5 minutes between them. Structure of CH4 available है आपके लिए. This is just for your reference. Next is solubility. Solubility का मतलब क्या होगा? कितने कार्बन चेन तक वाटर soluble रहेगा. मीन्स कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड जितना कम लंबी चेन होगी उतना इजीली सॉल्युबल हो जाएगा. जितनी जितनी बढ़ती जाएगी तो दिस इज नॉन पोलर. सो नॉन पोलर डज नॉट डिसॉल्व इन पोलर, वाटर इज पोलर. तो सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ अल्केन इन वाटर इज डिक्रीजेस इफ नंबर ऑफ कार्बन चेन इज इंक्रीजेस. इफ नंबर ऑफ कार्बन चेन इंक्रीजेस, solubility in water is decreases. Let's start. Solubility. Due to the very little difference in electronegativity between this carbon and hydrogen covalent bond, the CC bond or CH bond, alkanes are generally non-polar molecule. As we generally observed, polar molecule dissolve in polar solvent, while non-polar dissolve in non-polar. Means like dissolve like. Polar dissolved in polar, non-polar dissolved in non-polar. So, alkanes are hydrophobic in nature. Alkanes are insoluble in water. However, they are soluble in organic solvent as the energy required to overcome the existing van der Waals force generated new van der Waals force is equal to and comparable. And due to this, we can say that alkanes are insoluble in water. Why? Because like dissolve like principle, alkane are non-polar, so that's why they are not soluble in water very easily. On third point, we have to discuss boiling points of alkane. As the intermolecular van der Waals forces increases with the increase of the molecular size or the surface area of the molecule, we observed boiling point of alkane increases with the increases of molecular weight. अब सिंपल इतनी लंबी लाइन को कट शॉर्ट कर रहा हूं. When you come up to the down, atomic number increases, molar mass increases, size increases, boiling point increases. Means मीथेन से इथेन, इथेन से प्रोपेन, प्रोपेन से ब्यूटेन. कार्बन की चेन बढ़ती जाएगी, साइज बढ़ती जाएगी, मोलर मास बढ़ता जाएगा, सरफेस एरिया बढ़ता जाएगा. Simple boiling point is also increases. The straight chain alkane are observed the higher boiling point as compared to this structural isomerism. So यहाँ पे ऑर्डर होगा प्राइमरी अगर alkane हुआ तो उसका boiling point ज्यादा होगा as compared to secondary as compared to the tertiary. Why? जैसे जैसे ब्रांचिंग बढ़ेगी सरफेस एरिया कम होता जाएगा, मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कम होता जाएगा. Once again, primary boiling point is higher as compared to the secondary as compared to the tertiary. क्यों? प्राइमरी से सेकेंडरी ब्रांचिंग बढ़ा, सेकेंडरी से टर्शरी ब्रांचिंग बढ़ा. ब्रांचिंग बढ़ने से सरफेस एरिया कम होता जाएगा एंड ड्यू टू दिस मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज डिक्रीजेस. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ alkane फॉलो द सेम ट्रेंड ऑफ बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. सो इन शॉर्ट यहां पे भी वही रहेगा. नंबर ऑफ carbon increases, melting point is also increases. Perfect. So this is all about your melting point and boiling point, and this is all about the physical properties of alkane. Next we moved on to this physical properties of alkene, means double bond C, double bond C. So let's start with the physical properties of alkene. Alkene contain a carbon-carbon double bond which change the physical properties of alkene. Alkene are unsaturated compound and compounds which have the general formula. कौन सा formula होगा? CnH2n. The compounds are also known as olefins. कई बार हम ये word use करेंगे olefins. Olefins means alkene. Alkene are the family of a compound containing hydrogen and carbon, that is called only hydrocarbon, with this carbon-carbon with double bond. Example is ethene, propene and many more. Physical state के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. The double bond compounds are colorless, odorless in nature. However, ethene is an exception because of the colorless gas. Ethene gaseous form में available है. The first 3 members of this alkene are gaseous in nature. Next 14 members are liquid and remaining are in solid. So initially 1 to 4 gas, 4 से लेके approximately 14 और 15 तक हो जाएंगे आपके liquid, and then remaining are solid in nature. Second, solubility. The alkenes are insoluble in water due to their non-polar characteristics, but they are completely soluble in non-polar solvent. Benzene, toluene, xylene, ether, उसके अंदर वो easily soluble हो जाएंगे. Next is boiling point. What actually means by boiling point and melting point almost same होगा जैसे हमने आगे पढ़ा था. The boiling point of the compound increases as the number of carbon atom in a compound is increases. Once again same old story guys. Alkene की तरह ही alkene में जैसे जैसे carbon chain बढ़ती जाएगी boiling point बढ़ता जाएगा. When alkenes are the compound with this alkane, it found to the boiling point of the both are almost similar. As if the compound are made up for the same carbon skeleton, the boiling point of straight chain is more as compared to this branch. यहाँ पे भी same रहा. Branch जैसे जैसे बढ़ती जाएगी, boiling point और melting point कम होता जाएगा. Melting point that is cis and trans की बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे एक और exceptional cases आएगा. The melting point of alkene is similar to this alkane. However, the cis molecule having lower melting point as compared to trans. अब cis and trans में डिफरेंस क्या है दोस्तों? cis के अंदर डबल बॉन्ड के सेम साइड पे फंक्शनल ग्रुप अवेलेबल है, while in case trans के अंदर अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. तो cis के अंदर सेम साइड पे होने की वजह से their melting point is lower as compared to this trans. तो ये एक चीज याद रखिएगा, trans isomer having a higher melting and boiling point as compared to this cis. Next is polarity. Alkenes are weakly polar, just like alkane, but are slightly more reactive as compared to this alkane. Obviously, just because they have a pi bond, they are unsaturated one, and due to this, the reactivity of alkene is more as compared to this alkane. Slightly more reactive than alkane due to the presence of double bond. The pi electrons which make the double bonds can easily removed or add as they are weakly held together. Hence the dipole moment exhibitor alkenes are more as compared to this alkane. The polarity depend upon the functional group attached to this component and the chemical structure. So this is all about your properties of alkene. Last, that is properties of alkyne. अब देखिए alkene और alkyne का सेम ही रहेगा just because double bond containing species है, दोनों highly unsaturated compound है. alkene से alkyne more unsaturated होगा, क्यों? क्योंकि डबल बॉन्ड 2 हो जाएंगे, 2 पाई बॉन्ड है उसके अंदर और 1 सिग्मा बॉन्ड है. Let's start. Alkyne are unsaturated hydrocarbon which consist of at least 1 triple bond between this carbon-carbon atom. There are 2 types of alkyne. One is terminal and one is internal. Terminal means last कार्बन के ऊपर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड और दूसरा सेंटर पे. टर्मिनल अल्काइन आर द ट्रिपल बॉन्ड कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड इन विच कार्बन एटम शेयर अ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड विद दिस कार्बन एटम एट द एंड ऑफ द चेन. इंटरनल अल्काइन आर द कंपाउंड in which the triple bond is between 2 carbon atom none of these are terminal means दोनों के एग्जाम्पल CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH टर्मिनल हो गया, बट CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3 ये हो गया इंटरनल वन. फाइन, जनरल फॉर्मूला सेम रहेगा CnH2n-2. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑलमोस्ट एल्कीन के जैसे ही है, तो बहुत ज्यादा हम डिस्कशन नहीं करेंगे, ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है. The uniqueness is alkyne structure is due to this hybridization. The acidity of alkyne non-polar bonding strength and the linearity is due to this triple bond containing compound. These compounds are slightly soluble in polar solvent and totally insoluble in water. थोड़ा सा पोलर सॉल्वेंट में डिसॉल्व होगा, क्योंकि ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, 2 पाई बॉन्ड है, तो शायद जल्दी टूट जाएगा. Alkynes have the capability to dissolve in organic solvent as their density of the solution is less, which is the characteristic feature of this alkyne. The triple bonded compound have a boiling point slightly higher than this alkenes and alkane. The boiling point increases with increases the number of carbon atom. Once again similar type, number of carbon increases, melting and boiling point are increases. The acidity of triple bond compound is greater than to this alkane and alkene. Now what actually means by acidity? Acid किसको बोलेंगे? The species who releases H plus immediately. तो सबसे पहले H plus रिलीज कौन करेगा? तो CH triple bond CH, then CH2 double bond CH2 and last होगा CH3 single bond CH3. So alkyne means triple bond containing compound are more acidic as compared to alkene and alkane. The sp hybridized alkyne are more acidic. It can be protonated by using strong base. Due to the repulsion of electrons, they are relatively unstable compound having the high energy. The amount of energy present into this alkyne molecule is responsible for the evolution of large amount of heat. So this is all about your properties of alkyne. So in this session we'll discuss about the physical properties of alkane, alkene and alkyne. This is just for your knowledge. कई बार खाली सिंपल सा 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि जैसे प्राइमरी हैविंग हायर मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट एज कंपेयर टू द टर्शरी, ट्रांस का मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ज्यादा है सिस से, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं सिंपल सा. So this is all about your physical property. Next session में हम और आगे बढ़ेंगे चैप्टर के अंदर and we'll move on to this benzene part. Fine. This is all about today's session. Thank you so much.